Hello, my name is Kaleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU014. This is your standard incandescent trailer light kit with your marker lights. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Carter brand TPU014 part number, your standard trailer light kit with side marker lights for use with over 80. We will just check it out real quick. So you can see right here, it's going to come with two standard trailer lights, two tail lights, two marker lights, mounting studs that center on 2-inch, marker reflectors designed in lights. So we're just going to open it up and show you what's all in here. Two stop turn tail lights right here. Your two stop turn tail lights, incandescent, so they have a bulb. You got your license plate bracket right here. You have your 22-foot 4-way wire with the plugs and the little crimps on it for mounting them. And it comes with instructions. And then you also have your two marker lights, and the good marker lights with the studs on the back. Not those cheap ones where you have to like screw them in. These are the old school, good kind with the studs. Self-grounding. Great light kit. Really great price on them. Carter brand, the best brand around. What you see is what you get. Great stuff. And they are waterproof. So you can see they're waterproof. You see they're closed up right here. So good to go. Everything you see you get. All right there. And if you're in the market for a trailer light kit, you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.